Hello to everyone, Jai Swaminarayan. Friends, in my last previous video, we discussed about capitalization of profit method. We discussed about its first method, capitalization of average profit method. Today, we will discuss about second method, capitalization of super profit methods. According to this method, it means in this method, goodwill is calculated as a capitalized value of super profits on the basis of normal or expected rate of return. It means यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, सुपर प्रॉफिट को कैपिटलाइज करना है, उसकी वैल्यू को कैपिटलाइज करनी है. किसके बेसिस पे? नॉर्मल एक्सपेक्टेड रेट के बेसिस पे. इट मीन्स यहाँ पे वी कैन टेक एवरेज प्रॉफिट. ओके, सो सुपर प्रॉफिट कैन बी कैपिटलाइज्ड डायरेक्टली एंड कैन डिटरमाइन द वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल. यहाँ पे हमें एवरेज प्रॉफिट को फाइंड आउट करना है, पर उसे डायरेक्टली सुपर प्रॉफिट कन्वर्ट करना है और गुडविल को फाइंड आउट करना है. यहाँ पर भी 3 पॉइंट्स इंपॉर्टेंस है. विच आर 3? फर्स्ट वन इज एवरेज प्रॉफिट और वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट ऑफ अ बिजनेस. देन सेकेंड वन इज नॉर्मल और एक्सपेक्टेड रेट ऑफ returns of the business, and third one is capitalized employed of a business. और यहाँ पे गुडविल की फॉर्मूला क्या होगी? तो हमें किसको डायरेक्टली कैपिटलाइज करना है? किस प्रॉफिट को? सुपर प्रॉफिट को. सो सुपर प्रॉफिट डिवाइड बाय expected rate of return. Okay, suppose our super profit 40,000. So what is our goodwill? And our expected rate is 10%. So our goodwill is 40,000 divided by 10%. So our goodwill is 4 lakh. Here our super profit convert into directly in our goodwill. हम जो goodwill find out करते हैं उसे super profit means do you know very well, super से normal profit से ऊपर. यानी हमें सपोज अपना normal profit 1 lakh है. Okay, and our average profit is 1,50,000. So this 50,000 is more than our normal profit, and this 50,000 is our super profit. And इस super profit को ही हमें कैपिटलाइज करके उसकी गुडविल फाइंड आउट करते हैं. Okay friends, how to calculate sums according to capitalization of super profit method? Friends, we count and we determine the goodwill according to the method. These 6 steps we can use. First step is here as it is capital employed. And what is capital employed? The difference between total assets and total liabilities. It's another name also, net assets. Keep in your mind. Okay, then number 2, expected rate of return. This rate is already given in your example. Then number 3, expected profit. And here expected profit is capital employed multiplied by expected rate of returns. Then number 4, average profit. Friends, as we know that how to find out average profit, we use here first 2 methods, but only one method from these 2 methods If our profit trend is continuously increase or decrease, that time we use weighted average profit method. And if our profit is not continuously increase or decrease, increase, decrease, increase, decrease, that time we use simple average profit method and we find out average profit. Then number 5, super profit. Super profit means एवरेज प्रॉफिट माइनस एक्सपेक्टेड प्रॉफिट, यानी हमारा एवरेज प्रॉफिट जो है उससे एक्सपेक्टेड प्रॉफिट कट करना होता है, यानी कि यहाँ पर भी सुपर प्रॉफिट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एवरेज प्रॉफिट एंड expected profit. Then number 6 is goodwill, and there is formula super profit divided by expected rate of returns in percentage. Friends, we seen here two methods. First one is capitalization of average profit method, and second method is capitalization of super profit method. What is the difference between two methods? Friends, see here, super profit find out and its goodwill super profit divided by expected rate of returns. And in capitalize of average profit method, there is we capitalized value find out with the help of average profit. It means हम फर्स्ट मेथड में एवरेज प्रॉफिट को कैपिटलाइज करते हैं और सेकेंड मेथड में सुपर प्रॉफिट को हम कैपिटलाइज करते हैं. फर्स्ट मेथड में गुडविल की फॉर्मूला क्या है? Capitalized profit minus capitalized employed. It means in first method we compare our capitalized profit with our capital employed, and in this method we count directly our super profit capitalized profit. Okay, let's see example related to this method. Example is determine the value of goodwill of Virat and Anushka's firm as per the capitalization of super profit method. First one is capital employed 7,80,000. Second, expected rate of return 12%. And last 5 years profit given there year and profit 2012-13 profits 2 lakhs, 2013-14 profits 2,70,000, 2014-15 profit 2,40,000, 2015-16 profit 2,50,000, and last year 2016-17 profit 2,30,000. Friends, here given capital employed, rate of return and last 5 years profit. So here directly given capital employed, not given their total assets and liabilities. So we write down directly capital employed 7,80,000. Then rate of return, expected rate of return 12%. Then third step is expected profit. And expected profits, how to find out? We use this formula. Expected profit is equal capital employed multiply by expected rate of return in percentage. So how many our capital employed? 7,80,000 multiplied by 12% our expected rate of return. So our expected profit is 93,600. We write down in outer column. Then goes for step 4. There is find out average profit. Friends, see in profit there is trend of profit increase, decrease, increase, decrease. So we find out here simple average profit. Okay? So here write down years and profit, one by one years and one by one profit. Write down here and its addition 11,90,000. Then we will find out here average profit. Average profit's formula is total profit divided by number of years. Total profit is 11,90,000 and number of years. It means how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divide by 5. So its answer 2,38,000. We write down in front of average profit methods. Okay. Then number 5. Step number 5. Super profit. Super profit is the difference between average profit and expected profit. Our average profit is 2,38,000. We write down here, and our expected profit is 93,600, and it's different 1,44,400. This is our super profit. And the step number 6. There is find out goodwill, and its formula is super profit divided by expected rate of returns. Okay. So what is super profit or how many super profit? Our super profit is 1,44,400 and our expected rate of return 12%. So its answer 12,333.3333 infinitive with 3 comes. Friends, see here 3 after the point 3, and this 3 is this is less than 5. So we can't add before the points figure. Okay. So our goodwill is 12,0333. Okay, friends, you understand very well how to find out according to capitalization of super profit method in goodwill. Okay.